how to install OnlyFans application from your mobile device. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can install your OnlyFans application from your mobile device. For that, from your home screen, you can just tap and hold the application. There you will find install option. Simply click on this install button and then click on this install to confirm. Also, you can install this application from your Play Store. Click on the Play Store application, then at the search bar type OnlyFans and search it. And once you find the OnlyFans applications from your search results, click on it to enter this space. Here you will see install button. Click on this install button and then again click on this install to confirm. By doing so, it will get installed from your mobile device. So in this way, you can install OnlyFans application from your mobile device. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.